I used to think small homes had one unavoidable truth. They would always feel small. Then I walked into a home that was barely bigger than a studio apartment and felt something strange. It did not feel cramped. It felt calm, open, and expensive. That was the moment I realized size is not always about square footage. It is about design. Today I want to show you 10 architecture tricks that can make a small home look much larger than it is. Some are visual, some are psychological, and one of them might change the way you see every room you walk into. First, use one continuous floor material. When the eye does not stop jumping from tile to wood to carpet, the room feels chopped into pieces. A continuous floor creates one long visual field, and that makes the home feel deeper and more connected. It is a small choice with a big emotional effect. Your brain reads it as less clutter, less interruption, more space. Second, raise the sight lines. If you want a room to feel bigger, guide the eye upward and outward. Tall curtains, vertical wall panels, and slim shelves all create a sense of height. I have seen tiny living rooms feel suddenly dignified just because the ceiling looked taller. What people usually call spaciousness is often just a feeling of air above them. Third, borrow light from every direction. Natural light is one of the most powerful space-expanding tools in architecture. A dark room shrinks around you, but a bright room seems to dissolve its own edges. If you can, use larger windows, glass doors, or even interior transoms to let light travel farther. The surprising part is this: it is not only about brightness. It is about making boundaries feel less final. Fourth, simplify the ceiling. A crowded ceiling can make a room feel heavy, even if the floor plan is generous. Clean lines, recessed lighting, and minimal fixtures keep the top of the room visually quiet. That quiet creates breathing room. In small homes, the ceiling should not compete for attention. It should disappear. Fifth, choose furniture that reveals the floor. This is one of the oldest tricks, and it still works because it changes the psychology of scale. Sofas and chairs on legs let you see more floor surface, and when you see more floor, you assume there is more room. Heavy furniture that sits flat on the ground can make the space feel anchored in the wrong way, almost as if the room has been weighed down. Sixth, build in storage instead of adding it. A room does not feel small only because of its dimensions. It feels small because of the objects fighting for space. Built-in storage absorbs the mess into the architecture itself. When cabinets, benches, and niches are integrated into the walls, the home feels intentional. That is the real difference. A small home can feel busy or can feel designed. Seventh, use mirrors strategically, not randomly. A mirror is not magic on its own, but placed opposite a window, down a hallway, or beside a light source, it reflects depth and multiplies brightness.
If this content helped you, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos. If you want to support the project, you can use Super Thanks. Any amount helps keep this content alive and growing. Thank you for watching and being here.